Hey guys, welcome back to another Texas and Oklahoma weather forecast. In today's video, we will be talking about the potential for severe weather going into next week, and then also our Christmas Eve and Christmas Day forecast. You'll find that all today, all throughout the region. First thing we'll be looking at is, of course, our statewide radar across the two states. If you notice, there is nothing there, and really, if you do a zoom out view of all of America real quick, you really have not really you don't really have a lot in the first place. You have a little bit snow up in North Dakota, and you have some rain going into the Washington and Oregon and some parts of North California, but other than that, there's not really a lot happening, and that is of course good because that means no severe weather is happening. That means nothing big is really happening right now, but we will be seeing potential for severe weather on in the next few days. We'll go look in that in a few seconds. Or not a few seconds, like right now. Uh First thing we'll look at is day 3. So this would be this would be Wednesday. No, this would be Tuesday. For Tuesday's risk, we have a marginal risk for severe weather. At this moment, we're not particularly looking for anything too intense, but there could be some almost severe weather will be possible during this. Uh, at that same time, no. If I go look at there is a there is a giant marginal risk for excessive rainfall going through all this corridor and Oklahoma. There are parts of Oklahoma. DFW is in part of DFW is in it, going all the way down to the Austin area, caught mainly near College Station for a train of storms. What we will be looking at in a minute with looking at weather models. First thing we'll look at is the GFS for this, and kind of let's make sure this is. If first thing you're gonna notice a lot is over the next few days, you kind of do have this is the 24th. This is the 24th right here, where you have this little event, and then this is the 26th. This is a day. This of course is Christmas Eve, or the day after Christmas. Yeah. So we do have this little some showers on the 24th on Christmas Eve, and then going into Christmas, you'll notice nothing really happens. This is about 12 a.m. The next day, the day after Christmas. This is 12 p.m. the 26th. This is 6 p.m. And by that time, by probably midnight, storms will be out of Texas. Maybe some more showers, but that is a lot very far to talk about right now. Our next thing, of course, will be now temperatures. What will our temperatures be around the same? Because a lot of people will be out and about. Uh, we'll use the GFS again. If you notice, it's kind of across the whole country right now. You just had this giant cold front, and of course, it'll start heating up again. It'll start heating up a lot, and then you see this is our severe weather day. This is our 26, where you see that kind of that line. That's our cold front. Of course, it'll stay kind of like in this pattern till probably the 29th. But then also, if we look further, of course, this is not an official forecast because before this, because of course it is more than 200 hours out. But we have been having multiple uh models show this. We've had this shown multiple times in a row for this. That so cold a big cold event is possible going into the beginning of next month. And you get this is 6 a this would be a 6 a.m. where you have temperatures in the panhandles around 27. That's just something to note. That is not a big thing yet, but because of models and everything, it is showing that hey, we could have a giant cold front, a giant cold Arctic blast going into the new year. Uh, we'll we'll look real quick. No, there's there's no chance of snow yet. Sorry to burst your bubbles, but no. And of course, with that Arctic blast, maybe some, but and no, just ignore that. But you know, no, there's no gonna be no snow yet. That's gonna be later down the line. And of course, this will be our temperature totals for this event because there's excessive rainfall, meaning flooding is possible. You'll see rain totals over the next few days, some in the 5 inches, and then areas in DFW, Oklahoma going into the half of inch. And then some areas kind of near the Jackson and Palestine area could have 3 inches, but of course that is subject to change. And that'll be the end of the Texas and Oklahoma weather forecast. Thanks for watching. Of course, to show your support, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a nice Christmas. See y'all later.